Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video will be a vlog style video. I have several things I would like to share with you all. So sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy. Also, please hit that subscribe button if you have not already and turn on that notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is Monday. I just left out of Hobby Lobby, currently sit in Starbucks line. I went to the gym this morning, so I'm feeling pretty productive. So I started Planet Fitness at the beginning of the year, and I definitely want to try to keep up with this fitness journey because I've been slacking. I used to enjoy going to the gym, and hold on you guys, trying to vlog and drive is not a good thing, but all right. But yeah, so I was going consistently, you know, before everything shut down, and then I had started working and stuff, so I would try to get a workout here and there when I could, but you know, the gym not only gives you results, but it helps me mentally. Like, it helps me relieve stress and anxiety and all of that, and I definitely want to get toned and just be in the best shape that I can be. So, and then we have this Jamaica trip coming up, so yes, I'm trying to be snatched for that. So yeah, but I definitely want to continue my fitness journey with Planet Fitness. I like the fact that they have the crowd meter on the app, so it tells you like exactly how crowded the gym is, and I really love that aspect, because when I used to go to the gym, I would get there and it would be way too many people. You couldn't really get on any machines that you wanted to get on, so that always sucked. And also another thing, you know, I'm a huge germaphobe, so just going in there and just the thought of people sweating all over machines and stuff, just, oh, it does something to me. So I clean the machines before I get on and after, because you can't tell if something is sweat or if somebody had just wiped it off unless you physically seen them wipe that machine off. So yeah, I make sure I clean it before and after. But yeah, so what am I doing today? I will hopefully be putting that centerpiece together, the flowers that you just saw me purchase. Hobby Lobby way longer than I anticipated, but I got the flowers. I told the cashier, I said, don't be surprised if I come back in here returning these flowers or getting something else, because I'm just so indecisive when it comes to picking flowers and stuff. But yeah, hopefully you guys will see me put that centerpiece together today, and I don't have nothing else planned for the rest of the day. Now, I've been wanting to try Pilates for a while. The only thing is the classes are pretty far from where I live. I think it's maybe about 30 minutes away or so, and I just don't feel like taking that drive. Maybe one day I'll do it, but I did purchase this DVD off of Amazon because I was just gonna like look up some YouTube videos, and I was looking on Amazon. That DVD got a lot of good reviews, so I'm gonna try that out and just start doing it at home. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. But I hear Pilates helps you tone really fast, and that's what I'm looking for, to tone. So I am hoping that that works out. But anyways, I've been chatting for way too long. I just wanted to pop in to say hello, see how you guys are doing. We'll see where my week goes from here. So I'll talk to you guys later. I got my drink, the same as always, the caramel ribbon crunch, and I get it with oat milk and extra crunch on top. It tastes pretty good, so if you have not tried the caramel ribbon crunch, make sure you get it. Ask for extra crunch on top. All right, you guys, here's the DVD that I was telling y'all about. So it's 10-minute Pilates. I'll let y'all know how I like it. All right, here's the vase that used to be white. I spray painted this gold along with the top. So I wanted that to be gold since the flowers are like an ivory color. Okay, so of course I took the flowers back to Hobby Lobby. I told you guys. I knew this was going to happen, but yeah, I did that. I ended up going in Pop Shelf and found this box. Then I headed back home. I had a bunch of groceries and stuff I had to put away, so I'll be showing you guys this haul. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a quick grocery haul. And I'm still trying to figure out what I just spent $170 something on. But yeah, so I got some hush puppies, these Beyond Meat sausages. I never tried this one before, so hopefully it's good. Some coffee for my husband, cookies for Jordan. I'll be making this tonight. Jordan wanted honey buns. Jaleel trying to do a recipe with these popsicles for Jordan. I've been craving an acai bowl, so I decided to get that one. Some Brussels sprouts. My husband and I is pescatarian, so I usually get stuff like this. So the cauliflower wings, I never tried the sweet chili ones, but they have different flavors of those. These hash browns, my sister-in-law buy those all the time, so I was like, let me try these. Some sushi that I'm about to eat now, and this is for the dinner that I'm gonna make. I needed some more lemon juice, and they had this salmon, so you could just pop that in the oven. So I'll be making that, or either I'll put it in the air fryer. And some Granny Smith apples for what Jaleel is trying to make. Some grapes. I got some blackberries, strawberries, bananas, some juice back here. And then I started drinking these. I used to drink Red Bull, which I know is not good for me, but these supposed to be a lot better, which they don't leave me feeling like jittery and stuff, and they do give me the energy that I need, so I do like that. And I seem to only like the peach flavor. I tried the other ones, but I don't care for those. And I got some more oat milk, hot Cheetos for Jordan, and then some of these chips for me. So I'm getting ready to put this stuff up and then probably cook dinner.
You repair my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better.
Yeah, we got to do something with this pantry. And then look at all this stuff that I bought for that cocoa bar that nobody touched. Money wasted. We're not really having a whole lot of cold days here in Georgia, but yeah, my kids they gonna have to eat this or something, because sis spent some money, and I should have made my nieces take some of this stuff before they left, but I realized that they not big sweet eaters, so yeah, I kind of overdid myself when it came to buying this stuff. But whatever, I don't know if it has an expiration date. I'm surprised Jordan didn't eat these, because he is definitely my cookie monster. But yeah, most likely I'm gonna have to throw all this stuff away, which sucks. Look, food costs too much money to be throwing away food.
My love all night, telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies.
all those dishes I just washed and you come and sit something in the sink. Oh, that drives me crazy. And how about I just sent my son to get something out of my car. He didn't even tell me that I left my flowers on the back seat. So
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep.
here, but I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. Let me know if you like these type of vlogs. I think I mentioned before, I'm trying to find a direction on how and where I want my channel to go. So I do like organization and home decor stuff, and I might throw in stuff like this, but you know, I'm not trying to turn this into like no cleaning channel or nothing like that, even though you may see me like do some cleaning along with the organization. But I think it's gonna be more of like on the lifestyle side. So things that I pretty much do daily, like just sharing a little bit of what I do in a day, and then have crafts and projects to do. Of course, I'll share that with you guys. So just let me know down in the comments below. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Your place is like